fellow bakers, hope you're ready with your bake kit. Today we will be making pineapple cake. It is a light, spongy, fresh, juicy pineapple cake. So let's see what you get in the bake kit. You get the cake premix. For the topping you get whipped cream, pineapple and cherries. For helping you in your measurements you have the measuring cup. Also for decoration you have the cake comb, your cake board and parchment paper to line the baking tin. Some supplies that you will be needing from your kitchen are the mixing bowl, a whisk, spatula, cake tin. This is a 6-inch cake tin for a half kg cake, milk, curd and oil. The milk and curd should be at room temperature. Oil is 80 milliliter. You can use any olive oil, sunflower oil or any non-flavored oil. Milk, it is of 60 milliliter kept at room temperature. And curd, this is 120 milliliter. Kindly take them out of the fridge at least half an hour before you begin with the baking process. So, we will start by lining the cake tin. You must have got a parchment paper. Fold it into 4 folds. So after folding in 4 folds, fold it like this. Give it another fold. So we will place it here in the center and cut it equal to the radius of the cake tin. Here you get a perfect circle. Just place it inside. Cake tin is ready. Next, let's preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius and set a timer for 10 minutes. Now let's start with the mixing process. In your bowl, add curd. As I told before, this is at room temperature and 120 milliliter. Whisk it. Add oil to this. This is 80 milliliter. I have pre-measured these. Next we will add milk at room temperature. This is 60 milliliter. Mix them properly. Also place your whipping cream in the fridge. We will take it out at the time of decoration. Now we will add the cake premix in small batches. Add some of the cake premix. Mix it. Make sure you mix it in one direction only. We'll add some more. Remaining. Scrape off from the sides. So we need a smooth batter without any lumps. over mix. Just remove the lumps. We should have a smooth flowing batter. That's it. We'll pour this in our lined cake tin. By this time our oven must have also preheated. Just even it out. We will tap this 3-4 times. This removes any air bubbles that are inside. Now we will place this inside the oven and bake it for like 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So the cake has baked. Let it rest and cool in the tin for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will take it out on a plate. So it has been 10 minutes. Let us take it out. Remove the parchment paper. The sponge will be nice and soft. Be gentle. Let it cool for another 30 minutes so that it comes to room temperature. For decoration, after the 30 minutes, keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. It will be easier to slice it into halves. So in the meanwhile, cut the pineapple slices into small bits for decoration. So the cake has cooled. I kept it in the fridge for 10 minutes. We will start decorating. For decoration, what all you need is, you already have a cake board, you have the cake comb set, you have the whipping cream, pineapple that you must have cut into tiny bits, cherry to top. Other than that, take a fork, a spatula, knife, scissors and a spoon. So we'll start. Now I'll be using a turntable. However, if you do not have a turntable, you can make one of your own like this. Take a vessel like this, put a plate, and here is your homemade turntable that you can use for decorating purpose. So we will start by first cutting the cake into 2 halves. Right in the center, mark a boundary with the knife. If you have a larger knife, you can cut through it. If you don't, you can use a strong thread and then simply cut through it. So here you have your cake cut into 2 halves. So let's start with the decoration now. On your turntable, place the cake board. make a slit in your whipped cream piping bag. So the slit should be such that at least 1/4 of the nozzle comes out. Okay. Put some whipped cream in the center. Like this. Spread it. Now we will put 1 slice of cake on this. This whipped cream helps for the cake to stay. Be very careful because the sponge is very soft. Okay. Now we'll make some holes with the fork. This will help the pineapple juice to get absorbed. We will pour the pineapple juice After this, we will put a layer of whipping cream. So whenever you are using a piping bag, use both your hands. With the upper hand, you have to put pressure, the right hand that I am using, and the left hand is used for guiding. Okay. We've just made a border. Inside we will fill this and then we will use the cake comb to spread it evenly. Put some more. Now fill in the layer with the pineapples. So when you bite through it, you get nice crunchy pineapples. That's it. Now we will put the next layer. Please be careful while handling the sponge because it is very soft. So we'll do the same process here as well. Poke the sponge with the fork and then drip it with the pineapple juice. Again, make a layer of whipping cream. Be generous. Spread it evenly. Take it on the sides also. So after you have covered the cake with a thick layer of the whipped cream, we will now give it a finishing touch. So with the comb, we will decorate and find the edges. So just place the comb and rotate it. We'll clean the edges first. Almost done. Now we'll smoothen the top. So keep cleaning your comb. Remove the excess whipped cream from here. Now we'll decorate it. So again, hold it with both hands. The top hand will put the pressure and the bottom hand is for guiding. So we'll make rosettes. Here we will make shells. also fill in the pineapple chunks. Lastly, we'll decorate it with the cherries. So the cake decoration is done. The cake tastes best when it's chilled. At least keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. I generally keep it for 4 to 6 hours. So I hope you've had a nice baking session, enjoyed decorating your cake, and you have a yummy treat